It's Humphrey's Christmas. Humphrey and Lottie love Christmas time, watching the soft floaty snow, running really fast. Is going fast, oops. Being daddy's little helper, trying to be very still and quiet, making pretty decorations and hanging them on their very own tree. Watching mommy cookies and cooking. Yummy, then helping with the best bits. But most exciting of all, it's the last pet time before Christmas Day. Lottie draws a lovely letter for Father Christmas. Now, remembers to leave a treat for Rudolph. Shh, now, no more silly Billies. Off to sleep, then she puts her babies to bed. Mommy reads a special story all about baby Jesus and has an extra long cuddle. Night night, little Humphrey. Hope happy Christmas. Hold on tight, Mop. Oh, you are lovely. You and Lulu's best friend.